Hello, English explorers, and welcome to Speak Easy Please. I'm Jess, and I'm here to give you the codes for real life English.
And I'm Leo, the guy who knows all the grammar rules but still freezes when it's time to send a professional email. It's hard.
Today, we are tackling the office environment, emails, meetings, and all the English you need to sound professional.
But before we jump into the world of work, we have a quick favor to ask.
Yes, if you are enjoying our classes, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications.
It helps the podcast grow, and we are so grateful for your support.
And we want to know what you do, so please comment down below. Do you use English in your job? Yes or no?
We read every single comment. Now, let's get back to work.
Part 1. Emails, greeting and softening. Leo, let's start with the basics of a professional email. How do you open an email to a boss or a new client?
I usually translate literally, "Dear Mr. Smith, I wanted to ask about the report." Is that too cold?
Dear is very formal. For daily business, hi name or hello name is much friendlier and accepted. And always start with a softener like, I hope this email finds you well.
Got it. Hi plus, I hope you are well.
Now, for the ending, the sign-off, if you're writing to a client, don't use thanks. Use the professional standard, kind regards or best regards.
Kind regards. I'll use that one from now on.
Part 2, the golden rule of politeness.
Okay, here's my biggest problem. I need a file, and my translation says, "Send the file now." How do I ask this nicely?
That sounds like an order. In English, we never demand, we ask if they have had the chance. This is your golden softener magic phrase. Have you had a chance to look at the report yet?
Have you had a chance to look at the report yet? That sounds polite.
And if you need the file, never say, send me the file. The best way is using the modal verb could. Could you please send me the file?
Could you please send me the file? That is perfect. I feel more professional already.
Part 3, meetings, agreeing and disagreeing. Now, let's jump into the meeting room. You're in a discussion, you want to agree with someone. What's a good phrase?
I agree. That's a good point.
Excellent. Now, the hard part. You don't agree with your boss. How do you disagree without being rude?
I usually just nod and stay silent.
Stop doing that. Use the soft disagreement. You validate their idea first, then introduce your point with a but. I see your point, but I think we should consider.
I see your point, but I think we should consider. That is amazing. It sounds polite and strong at the same time.
Part 4, wrap up. That's it. We covered emails, politeness, and meetings. Your professional anxiety level just dropped.
It did. I always thought small talk was pointless, but now I see it's essential for connection.
That's right. Remember, it's not about perfect grammar. It's about clear, polite communication.
Now for the final challenge.
In the comments, we want you to write a polite email sentence to your boss or colleague using one of the softener phrases we taught.
For example, "Hi Anna, I hope you're having a good week. Could you please check the attached report? Kind regards, Leo."
We can't wait to read your professional English. Thank you for joining us.
If this episode saved you from one awkward office moment this week, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to Speak Easy Please. See you next time.
Bye.